Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this particular room. So basically मैं घर आई हुई हूँ as you can say and as you can see and it's been almost 3 weeks now that I'm here and अब मैं अपना टाइम ले रही थी, slow life, good food, family time. 2.5 weeks already and in next 4-5 days I'm going back to Bangalore again. Never mind, not gonna cry about something that I can't handle or that is, I don't know, leave it. So today I've started vlogging because today I'm going out as of now. From yesterday I was not able to even speak because I've got something here. I don't know if you can see, but this jaw is swollen and I'm trying very hard to speak louder because it hurts here a lot. And wisdom teeth ka pain, if you have gone through, then only you'll be able to know or see or feel it, or else it's very painful. I am on medication and I think I'll be fine day by day. So first of all I look like this because I just put the base makeup thing and मैंने कुछ नहीं लगाया था, पूरी ऐसी white भूत लग रही हूँ अभी. But कोई ना, अभी I'll just put blush and this and that. So I just thought of starting this vlog because we're going out now and yeah, that's the main reason actually. And I'm wearing a really cute dress, that's my sister's, and when you wear your sister's siblings dresses it makes you feel so good for some reason. It hurts really bad. My jaw is swollen because it hurts here, like अंदर इसमें कुछ हुआ, like wisdom teeth का problem है, and then gum it's also like swollen. So yesterday I was talking like this, like blah 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 blah, because I couldn't, even now I can't open my mouth very like wide because this side is fine, like this I can't do. It's painful and my eyes are also swollen because I was crying since yesterday as well. Like रोती रहती हूँ मैं हमेशा, कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसका. So मैंने अभी बेस ही करा था और this is the blush that I am using since last 3 months I guess at this point. Okay, not even 3 months, April, May, June, oh yeah, it's July, so 3 months. And this is from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Dusty Rose 03. This is how it looks. Like my skin is pretty much dry and Bangalore ka weather to made my skin even drier. So it's nice that it's like very creamy and it doesn't make my skin look more dry basically. So I like it and it looks, the particular shade looks very good on my skin tone. And मैं like फ़ोन में अभी vlog करती हूँ, right? तो फिर the exact shade and the exact things that are in real life is not really visible on the phone camera. Will help me get the I'm really bad at multitasking. See, if I started putting on the blush, I stopped talking. Somehow I thought I'll just do the multitasking, like I'll get ready also and then I'll talk also and this and that, but not. Something fell. Anyway, I love this blush like so much.
So we reached this place and the lighting is pretty bad.
Photo shoot over there. Came out today for like a girls' day trip, something, not trip, like a day out, and it's gonna be like food and photos, literally. I'm like, I already knew about this. I have put eyeliner today. Efforts. Wing eyeliner. दुख की बात ये है कि if you have one eyeliner like perfect, you will never have another eyeliner perfect. So इसको ढक लो ऐसे. Drinking mojito, and look at my drink, you guys. I can't live without Oreo milkshake.
The next day.
मैं एक बार हाय बोलो हमारे ऑडियंस के. I'm gonna hi. So it's the next day and today we are gonna do something. First of all, I have very bad like really bad tooth situation and I'm trying really hard again to speak louder so it is audible, like I am audible. I'm glowing for some reason. I can't even smile. Like I can smile from this side, but I can't smile from this side because it's painful. Anyway, in the morning I went to see a dentist, and the dentist said that I have really good teeth. He said, salon secret. So I got these 2 packets of hair color. Sorry, this. And it's from B Blunt, and the color is cherry red. So first I wanted to do that brownish thing, like brown or cold tone, but then I got inspired by someone, and so but I want to do red now. And 4-5 साल पहले I had done red color, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा red था. This one is like still like a little different than that one. सो वो बहुत ज़्यादा रेड था, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग कि क्या ही बुरा होएगा. लाइक आई एम नॉट चैलेंजिंग गॉड एनीवे, बट कितना ही क्या बुरा होएगा. सो लेट दिस कलर बिकॉज आई एम बोर्ड विथ माई हेयर एंड द कलर एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेट, इट्स वेवी एंड फ्रिजी, एंड आई डोंट फील वेरी गुड अबाउट इट. सो आई थॉट doing a color thing maybe will look good. So I'll change and then do the color, and then I'll get back. Hi, so it's the evening and मैंने like I colored my hair, I washed it. This is not the very good lighting, but I can't find anything better than this as of now. तो मुझे ये अपडेट देना था. like I forgot कि I had to like record after the color part, but then I realized कि उतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है. As my sister suggested that it might take a little time or the sunlight to actually showcase the difference. But I can see it that it's not black right now. It's like a little burgundy-ish, pinkish, red, something on the same line. And I might record like a second part of the reel or the shorts as well, and second part of this part as well, where I'll show you how my hair looks as of now. So fast forward to couple of days, and this is my mehndi, and I'm going back to Bangalore. And ये धागा बंधा हुआ था, उसका रेड हो गया. So yeah, I just wanted to update it that I'm going back to Bangalore, and today is like 2-3 दिन बाद मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ. तो आज का प्रोसेस वाज द हेक्टिकेस्ट एवर फॉर मी. लाइक माई होल फ्लाइंग जर्नी, सिक्योरिटी में, फिर बैगेज में, एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी वेरी हेक्टिक. व्हाई डू आई लुक सो गोलू मोलू? घर पे जाके खाना खा के zone 2 they said, they'll say zone 1 will go. It matters. Go. Someone just went and they asked कि check your boarding pass and then go. You have your different bags and all. So yeah, not very like I don't know, very bittersweet feelings I have right now. But so मैंने 3:30 बजे तक काम करा. उसके बाद मैं लॉग आउट करी, मतलब I logged out from my work because I was working. And then I got ready and then left, and then mummy papa they dropped me at the airport, and then so abhi boarding start ho gayi hai, and I'll see. I'm sitting in a middle seat, but I don't have the middle seat, I have window seat. So आज जो मैं आई हूँ, तो फिर मेरे को पता था कि सो मैंने जो हेयर कलर कराया वो ऐसे नहीं दिखता है. इट्स लाइक अ मैजिक हेयर कलर. यू कैन ओनली सी इट अंडर सनलाइट. मतलब सनलाइट आएगा तो वो आएगा, उसको क्या बोलता है, जादू की छड़ी, लाइक दैट थिंग हैपनिंग. एंड देन फिर यू कैन सी माई हेयर कलर. आई विल शो यू मे बी वंस आई एम देयर. आई विल शो यू. It's like little burgundy pinkish shade red. Burgundy pinkish red something is there. Like social anxiety तो कहीं तो गई है, कहीं तो चली गई है और वापस नहीं आ रही है. That's a good thing guys. मेरे को मौत आ रही है because I haven't slept the whole night, and the worst part is I will go to my room and then I have my office in the evening for a full 10-hour shift. So if I'm alive, I'll catch you, or else I'll see what is happening. Bye.